be planned outside Chennai. These shipments to be planned inside Bangalore. These shipments are Hyderabad. These shipments are, again, this is soda. See here the difference. Okay, so if you observe here, all are unique value. This is called plan ID. So basically, put it in very simple words. You have to temporarily group the shipments to perform optimization or to plan, right? You have to plan them. So you need a plan ID so that it will group it there self. So this plan ID will come from source system to TMS. Okay. And based on this plan ID, you will define your strategy and parameter file. For example, here you will have one parameter file. Here for this plan, you will have one more strategy file, one more parameter file. So every plan will have one strategy and one parameter. You got my point? Hello?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay, great. Okay. I think we are going good. Okay. So now this is the, see, we are in load build module. Okay. We are speaking about this module, this box, first blue color box. So now shipment enters and it is getting grouped by plan and it is running optimizer. Okay. So the set to plan, do you remember I told you something called set to plan? This is where the load becomes open to planned status. Okay. So now what happens in this blue color, you can build a load. There are two methods. If you remember, I told you that is, one is optimization, another one is clicking new load button. Okay. So here the optimization will run and it will create loads. So this is the actual process. And there is a process called rating. So whenever you say rating, you planned it, but you want to see what is the cost of the transportation. Okay. So in order to transport, see, again, please understand, in TMS, you will not see item cost. You will only rate transportation cost. Okay. So now what happens? That rating process will happen during the optimization itself. But you can able to see the result by clicking the rate button. There is a button called rate button. And then it is moving to tender. So this is the next story. So this is the beginning of the, I mean, this is the planning story. I will show you one more thing. Okay. This is the next continuation. After load build, this is the load processing basically. So see, this is the first slide. And this is the continuation slide. Okay. So are you okay with this first slide, first of all? Any question?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, until manually build loads, yeah, we are fine. Yeah.
Okay, great. So that's what. So you are selecting the shipments for optimization and it will be automatically done. So don't worry, right now it is a little bit difficult for you. Once I show it in the application, it is easy for you to catch up because you will be doing all the steps. Okay, can you explain what is this RRS? I told you some time back. During planning, I mean, whenever you are performing the optimization, these three processes will run. That is routing, rating, and scheduling. What is routing? What is rating? What is scheduling? Can anyone explain? I explained already.
Yes. So routing is checking the most effective, I mean cost effective route. Rating is finding the I mean the least carrier, which can be a low cost carrier kind, right? Scheduling mean at minimum time how can the product can be pick up and delivered to the customer.
Awesome. Yeah, you understood it very correctly. Okay, routing, rating, and scheduling. All three should be considered when you are planning. Okay, even when you are manually planning also, you will be doing this. I will show you how. Both optimizer is possible and manual also we will do. Both we will do. Okay, this slide is clear. You got it very correctly. Yeah. So there is something called rate shop boss. Rating is different. Okay, rating is you already decided the tariff. Okay, you already picked the rate from the contract. But rate shop is different. You are comparing alternatives. Okay, for example, you already created a load and you decided that it is 5,000 rupees. Okay, let's imagine like, or let's say 1,800 rupees. Now, for the same lane, I mean, when I say lane, Bangalore to Hyderabad. So for the same Bangalore to Hyderabad, I also feel there are some more carriers are operating. When I say carriers, truck companies. So I decided carrier 1, but I want to see what carrier 2 and carrier 3 is offering me the rate. So I will perform this operation, rate shop. So what I will do, I will check the alternative options. So carrier 2 will say, boss, I'm ready to provide 1,700. And another fellow will say, I will give 2,000. So that means one person is costlier than what my choice is. Another person is giving for 1,700 also. So, but I know that that carrier performance is not good. So I will stick with 1,800, or I will change to 1,700. I don't care about the performance. Who cares about it? I care only about money. Okay. So then in that case, I will go for 1,700. I will go for carrier to service to equipment. That is called rate shop. So basically it is going to display you the eligible alternative options. Again, eligible, underline the word. So whichever the lane you want to have, only those options TMS will show you. I mean, only Bangalore to Hyderabad it will show. It will not show Delhi to Hyderabad. It will not show Mumbai to Hyderabad, right? So that is rate shop. And once you're done with the load building, what is next? This is what is happening. So basically you are actually informing the carrier, right? So you're done with your planning, but you need to inform. See, load processing, I will tell you what is load processing. See, I explained you this one only. Now I am explaining this box, load processing. Okay, that is this another slide. This slide. Able to follow, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great then. Okay, so now we rate the load. We planned the carrier, service, equipment, everything. We are informing the carrier. That is called tendering. So we tender the load. So the carrier will do either. See, the tender is going and he is actually replying. So either accept or reject. If in case he is accepting, the shipments are released.